guys on Mars once, and can we find out? And we have lots of intriguing clues about that story. Still, that begs the question about if life started on Mars some 3.5 billion years ago, did any survive? Is there any life on Mars today? And that's a fascinating question, one that's going to take some time to answer, but technologically, we can answer. And we can answer it by sending rovers, and we can answer it by sending people. And I look forward to that day on our journey to Mars. The discovery we're going to talk about today really is most exciting because it suggests that it would be possible for there to be life today on Mars. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Jim Green to describe a little more detail and background.
Thank you very much, John. You know, we're making enormous progress with our current orbiters and rovers, as John mentioned. And this is really to look at Mars because it is the planet that's most like the Earth. It is, of course, as we've talked about, the destination for human exploration going beyond Earth. If we go back perhaps 3 billion years and take a look at Mars, Mars was a very different planet. It had an extensive atmosphere. And in fact, it had what we believe was a huge ocean, perhaps as large as 2/3 of the northern hemisphere. And that ocean may have been as much as a mile deep. So Mars indeed 3 billion years ago had extensive water resources. But something happened. Mars suffered a major climate change and lost its surface water. Today, we're revolutionizing our understanding of this planet. Our rovers are finding that there's a lot more humidity in the air than we ever imagined. As we ingest the soils, they're moist, they're hydrated, full of water. These discoveries are very important